Have you ever heard someone say that EVs are just too expensive to maintain? Or that they require constant repairs and can't survive beyond a few years? Well, those myths might be holding you back from making one of the smartest decisions of your life. Today, we're going to reveal the truth behind the 7 biggest myths about EV maintenance. And it's not what you've been told. Let's break them down one by one with data to prove it. Electric vehicles have revolutionized how we think about transportation, but there are still plenty of misconceptions about their upkeep. The idea that EVs are high maintenance, costly, and prone to breakdowns is one of the most persistent myths. In this video, we'll dig into the data, debunk these myths, and give you the facts you need to make a confident decision. First, we'll tackle the idea that EVs are more expensive to maintain than traditional vehicles. Then, we'll compare the real costs of charging and repairs. And finally, we'll explore whether EVs are as durable as their gasoline-powered counterparts. Stick with us, and by the end, you'll have the definitive verdict on EV maintenance. This is one of the most common myths about electric vehicles. Many people assume that because EVs use advanced technology, they must require more maintenance. However, data shows otherwise. According to Consumer Reports, the average maintenance cost for an EV is approximately $400 per year, compared to $800 for a traditional internal combustion engine ICE vehicle. A significant reason for this is that EVs have fewer moving parts. There's no oil to change, no transmission to worry about, and no exhaust system to replace. The only maintenance an EV typically needs are brake inspections, tire rotations, and occasionally a new air filter. So if you're concerned about high maintenance costs, rest assured EVs are much more affordable in the long run. How much do you spend on car maintenance annually? Drop your answer in the comments. Another myth that often discourages potential EV buyers is the idea that repairs are expensive. Yes, EVs have sophisticated components, but that doesn't necessarily mean that repairs are more costly than for conventional vehicles. In fact, a study by Chupa found that the cost of repairing an EV is only about 3% higher than the cost of repairing a gasoline-powered vehicle. The reason behind this is that most EVs don't suffer from the wear and tear associated with internal combustion engines. For instance, there are fewer parts that degrade over time, such as the timing belt, alternator, or the complex transmission systems found in gas cars. The real cost for an EV owner usually comes when the battery needs to be replaced. However, EVs' battery technology has improved dramatically over the last decade. The average lifespan of an EV battery is now over 150,000 miles, and most manufacturers offer warranties that last 8 years or longer. In the case of Tesla, for example, the battery is covered for 8 years or up to 120,000 miles, whichever comes first. This makes battery replacement a rare occurrence, and when it does happen, it is becoming increasingly affordable as the cost of battery production decreases. Do you think battery replacement is a huge concern for EV owners? Let us know your thoughts below. Another myth that many people believe is that charging an EV costs an arm and a leg. In reality, the cost of charging your electric vehicle is far less than fueling a gas car. The average cost of electricity in the US is about 13 cents per kilowatt hour. For an EV that consumes 0.25 kilowatt hours per mile, you're looking at a cost of approximately 3 cents per mile to charge. By comparison, the average cost of gasoline in the US is about $3.50 per gallon, and most gasoline vehicles achieve around 25 miles per gallon. This brings the cost per mile for a gas car to about 14 cents. That's over 4 times more expensive to run a gasoline car than an EV, which makes charging an electric vehicle not just affordable, but a clear financial advantage in the long term. And don't forget about home charging. Installing a level 2 home charging station typically costs between $500 and $1,500. But once it's set up, you can charge your EV overnight and wake up to a full battery for only a few dollars. Plus, many states and utilities offer incentives for installing EV chargers, which can lower this cost. Do you charge at home or rely on public stations? Share your charging habits in the comments. Some people worry that EVs won't last as long as traditional vehicles. But the truth is, EVs are incredibly durable. A study by the California Air Resources Board found that electric cars typically last just as long, if not longer, than their gasoline counterparts. For instance, the Tesla Model S is known to have an average lifespan of over 500,000 miles, which is more than double the lifespan of many conventional vehicles. This is because EVs are not subjected to the same stress as gas-powered vehicles. They don't experience engine wear or frequent transmission issues. Instead, the biggest concern for longevity is the battery. But as mentioned earlier, modern EV batteries are designed to last a long time, typically around 8 to 10 years or longer. Additionally, the U.S. Department of Energy reports that EVs are often subject to fewer issues with rust and corrosion due to the absence of a combustion engine. This means that they can hold up better over time, especially in climates with harsh winters. What's the highest mileage you've ever driven a car? Do you think EVs could match that? A persistent myth is that EVs are only good for short city commutes and can't handle long road trips. But thanks to advances in battery technology and the growing availability of fast-charging networks, EVs are becoming more practical for longer journeys. For example, Tesla's supercharger network allows drivers to recharge their vehicles quickly, and new EV models offer ranges of over 300 miles on a single charge, with some models even reaching 400 to 500 miles. In fact, many EV owners report that they no longer need to worry about range anxiety. According to a survey by the Electric Vehicle Association, 85% of EV owners said they can drive over 200 miles per day without worrying about recharging, and that includes long trips. With the expansion of charging stations and the improvements in charging speed, long-distance EV travel is becoming more and more feasible every year. Would you feel comfortable taking an EV on a long road trip? Tell us what would make you feel more confident in the comments. To wrap up, we've debunked some of the biggest myths about EV maintenance. From lower overall costs to better durability and more convenient long-distance travel, the facts show that EVs are not only a practical choice, but often a more affordable and sustainable one. Now you know the truth, EVs are affordable, durable, and practical. Myths about high costs, frequent repairs, and short lifespans don't hold up. With modern batteries, fast charging, and long-lasting components, electric vehicles are ready for both daily commutes and long road trips. The future of driving is electric, and it's already here. Final thought, electric vehicles are here to stay, and with the right knowledge, they can be just as reliable and often more affordable than their gas-powered counterparts. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to House of EV for more data-driven insights into the world of electric vehicles. And if you're still unsure about EV maintenance, check out our other videos for even more answers. Hit that subscribe button, give us a like, and leave a comment with your thoughts on EVs. Let's keep the conversation going.